Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and I'm here to help guide you through the NIH Stroke Scale. What is an NIH Stroke Scale? The NIH Stroke Scale, or National Institute of Health Stroke Scale, is used to quantitatively measure neurological function and target its deficits. Particularly important in patients who have experienced an acute stroke or exhibiting signs and symptoms of a stroke. The test can be used to give practitioners an idea of the possible lesion, degree of recovery, and short and long-term effects of the stroke on patients. The scale is made up of 11 components, including level of consciousness, questions and commands, best gaze, visual, facial palsy, motor arm, motor leg, limb ataxia, sensory, best language, dysrathia, extinction, and inattention. Each component comes with instructions and a scoring guide that ranges from 0 to 4. One very important thing to note is that you must be both trained and certified in order to administer the NIH-SS, and that way you can ensure consistency and accuracy in results. The variety of healthcare professionals who can use it, including doctors, nurses, and more. Here's how to use the stroke scale effectively. The first step is to fill in the essential patient information. You'll then need to write down the scores under each of the 11 dimensions. Record the total score and then integrate into your plan. To view a sample assessment of the NIH Stroke Scale, feel free to visit carepatron.com where you can download it for free. You can access the scale within our platform under the Community and Assessment section. You can type in the keywords to find it faster and edit however you wish. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to Carepatron.